Hi, I don't know whether you saw the video I did a while back on some goodies that I picked up from the secondhand store locally, Zero Waste, and I said I'd do a video of what I had done with all the goodies, or most of the goodies. So I'm just going to show you quickly how you can turn finds from secondhand stores into usable product, and so they don't go to the So we have the photo clip, so I sanded it back and gave it a bit of a paint. And then there was the little folder. I have covered that in fabric and lined it with instructions from an old pattern, and I can just put some paper in there and use it as a journal unless somebody else has got a different idea. So then there was the container for, I think it was a nut loaf tin. I've just used that to store my sewing scissors in there. Then we had that grey box. Well, I've given it a bit of a facelift, and I'm using it to store cards that I buy when I'm visiting overseas. So this one here was from Eureka Springs in Arkansas, and that one was from Rebecca Cool Art in Margaret River, and that was another one from Eureka Springs. So pretty happy with that, how that turned out. Started off with a different colour, but then I wasn't really loving it, so I've sort of gone for the, I don't know, mottled look. Then there was the wooden container, which was wood, and I've just given it a bit of a paint look, brighten it up somewhat. One of the other things I got was that. I haven't used it yet, but I thought that might make some cool marks on paint. Then we come over here to my filing cabinet. I had got a whole lot of these things, so I have arranged all my paper in my filing cabinet, and there was also some bulldog clips. So what I've done with those is just added a magnet, put a magnet on the back, so I can hang things. That's what I created out of those finds from the Zero Waste shop that is close to me. So if you'd like to find out more DIY tutorials, and make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be releasing a new DIY tutorial hopefully once a week.